how many Tibetan people read Tibetan history? How many understand Tibetan history? If Tibetans don't read Tibetan history, no one else will. People have too many things to while away their time in this modern age. So therefore, I urge every single Tibetan to look at their own history, study their own history, and be in a position to be able to debate with others on historical status of Tibet. Whether you are a proponent of independence or whether you are a proponent of middle way approach, aim everything at Chinese government. There is no necessity to fight amongst ourselves to reduce our own strength. And we are only 130,000 Tibetans in exile. So if we remain disparate in many ways, then our strength will be weakened. And that's exactly what the Chinese government wants.